Put on his pajamas. He wore the same pajamas every night. He looked like a race car driver. Then cold jumped into his dress car bed. Oops! He had forgotten to brush his teeth. Cole grabbed the street in on his bed. Wood, yelled Cole. The bed rolled out of cold bedroom. It led down the hallway. Then the bed up with a stitch. Colt went into the bedroom. The bed beeped. It hurt so Colt won't hurry.